and lift you up and make you strong. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to all get through this together, whatever it is, you know.
Hey y'all, happy Monday. Been a long day, girl. Stop by Aldi. I want to show y'all what I got real quick because I'm about to get in the bed. I put the kids some pizzas in the oven. I got some Kung Pao broccolini. It's broccoli florets. Oh, this says broccoli. Well, I don't know why thought this said broccolini. Anyways, it's broccoli florets marinated in a sweet and spicy ginger sauce. I'm going to see if I can taste it. All these stuff is usually good, but the one that I got from Walmart, I couldn't taste no seasoning on it. I got me some cashews to snack on, another little Southwest breakfast bowl, some 0-calorie sweetener packs, an English cucumber, some keto tortillas, and some carb control ones for tomorrow. We're gonna have tacos, fries, some salmon, baby lettuce, some mashed sweet potatoes, chicken fajitas, cantaloupe, some more stuff for smoothies, and ham.
Hey, look, me and the Cowboys Sunday. Oh, hey, I'm on the 21 thing. No soda, juice, water only. So, I'm an old cat. And birthday in May, we were finna see what it looked like. Walking, drinking, juicing, little weights.
Boy, you better get skinny like last time. You already little.
Be like Ric Flair around here.
He gonna be wifeless,
Be like
y'all. We
Flash.
get skinny. I hate when they put them clothes on the table. I'm sure you did that.
Taylor did that. That's Taylor.
Anyways, this is trash from where I put. This is Taylor's pizza right here.
Hey, don't wipe around and wipe for y'all.
I wanted to show y'all this, my new cheese grater. I've been having it a while. It's just so much been going on, child. It got all these different blades. It's easy to clean and use. Upgraded 5 drum blades. And it shows you all the different ways you could use it right here. And my sister, aka / Alabama bestie, sent this to me. Monica, Mo Mizzle. It depends on what day it is that determines her name. But yeah, thank you, boo. I'm gonna break her out soon. I ain't had time to cook, babe. I sure ain't got time to grate no cheese. But yeah, I'm gonna break her out soon. She's so cute. Okay, y'all, let me put this stuff away. Making me some salmon bites thanks to Courtney on It's Court. If y'all don't watch her, go subscribe. YouTube will have you at the stove every night going broke trying to make stuff because it be so tempting, and hers looked so good. I've been thinking about them all day. I had to make some. I went to the store right after work.
Don't know if you know this too. I'd rather be right.
This is their dinner, y'all. Taylor got the cauliflower. I added pepperoni. It was 3 cheese cauliflower. I added pepperoni. And it's just regular. It's just a crust. Don't put me on that.
I almost stopped because
They know what the stars look like. They be buying them. I got my little cantaloupe in my bag. And I'm making my salmon bites. Hey, y'all. Happy... What's today? Tuesday. Girl, it's only Tuesday. I am tired. To open my gift with y'all. If y'all hear something in the background, that's my I'm cooking. My neighbor sent me a gift for dog sitting for her. I was like, you did not have to do that. And it says, oh, I can send a thank you note. Yeah, I have to read it to y'all, but I'm putting a little screenshot of it up here. But she said, thanks for watching our sweet Roxy for us. You are now a Stanley girl. Look at she got me. I was like, you did not have to do that. Sorry, y'all. I'm trying to cook too. I'm like, you did not have to do that. She's like, I know, but I wanted to. She's so sweet. I prayed for a good neighbor, and now I got one. My new neighbor, bestie. Uh-oh. She's cute. Oh, it's so cute. It's not coming off on the camera like, oh, it's cute. I like it. Yay! I got me a sandwich. Now, I will say this is not as heavy as my Simple Modern cup. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna turn this. I'm gonna get this noise out the background in just a second. Better. That's better. Okay. What was I about to say? Yeah, this is not as heavy as my Simple Modern cup. I could not hold my Simple Modern cup like this. It's super heavy. But I like it. The color is so cute, y'all. It's like a... I forgot what the color said on the... Let me see if it's on the box. It don't say, but it was matte something. But it's so cute. Stanley girl. Oh, wait. Let me look at mine. Hold on. Oh, it's right here. I gotta put my other charm on her. Let me wash her first. She's ready now, girl. She got her little charm. A for Angel. This can't be the thumbnail, baby, because I'm looking rough. thumbnail. I love it. I'm a Stanley girl. It's a blessing to be a blessing to people. And like I told her, she didn't have to give me nothing. I mean, it wasn't nothing. We enjoyed going over there and checking on Roxy. Oh, here it goes. Here it go, y'all. Said, thank you for watching our sweet girl, Roxy. You're a Stanley girl now, from Rebecca. Oh, so sweet.
You're the one that I need. 솔직히 말해볼게.
Hey y'all, happy, what's today? Wednesday. Oh, thank the Lord, because tomorrow is my Friday. Show y'all real quick what I got from Aldi. Stop by there again. I got some chicken pot stickers, this sweet chicken teriyaki skillet. This one I'm about to make for dinner. Some spinach herb wraps. I'm about to make me a wrap for work. Got some green onion, tilapia, Parmesan cheese. Some, I like, tastes like butter. It's like I can't believe it's not butter brand. I got me some coffee, Southern pecan praline, and pink salmon, buffalo chicken breast, biscuits, soy sauce. What's this? General whatever sauce. And I got this brush set that was $3.99 at Aldi. That my boo thing suggested on Instagram. People always make you buy stuff. But I've been needing one of these. I'm going to show y'all when I set it up. Okay, y'all, that's what it looked like outside the box. That is a good deal. I don't know what I was thinking. I was thinking it was maybe just a holder. I didn't know it came with all the brushes for $3. You cannot beat that. So you get the actual holder. I put the soap in there. And then you get these 3 different attachments. So actually you have 4 attachments that you can put on it. You cannot beat that. Little stuff like this make me excited. I showed it to Fred. He was like, I said, act more excited than that. He talking about, ooh, brush holder. House things make me excited. That's so cute. Hey, y'all. Happy Thursday. We almost to the end of the week, girl. We are anticipating bad weather here in Texas. So y'all know I already went to the store and we got plenty of food, but I just was trying to think, you know, like, you know how kids are. We ain't got nothing to drink. We got it. So I got this immunity support drink. I've showed y'all this before, not this brand, but then I got me some baconettes. They had these Snapples for $1. I got 4 of those. I got 3 strawberry yogurts, 2 Powerade. I got me a Celsius. If y'all have a Kroger, they have Celsius on sale for $1.49. Got some powdered donuts, some sriracha. I like off-brand dressing. Don't do me. I'm not eating a lot of it anyways. I never eat a lot of dressing. I put my oil that I've showed y'all several times on my salad, and by the time I put all my stuff on there, you barely even need dressing, so I just use a little bit of this. But I love sriracha, so I saw this. It was only $1.49. I got some of the water packets. They were on sale for $1.49. I got some of these pecan sweet rolls. The kids like those. I got a red onion I needed for my salad and my wraps. 2 party pizzas for Fred, because I can't fit no more than that in my... And he really need to eat one of those tonight, because I can't fit nothing else in the freezer. I bought this chicken. Y'all excuse those 2 things. They're soaking. I just had to... Some in my sink. I just had to soak them because they got stuff in them. But y'all know how it is. Y'all, I don't even know why I'm telling y'all all that. Y'all know the drill. I bought a bag of chicken wings. I'm about to cook those and make me a salad. And I bought 2 boxes of club crackers, some penne pasta, another one of the 0 sugar Kool-Aids. They have cream of whatever on sale, 2 for $1. And I got some of these meatballs to make me a meal prep. And I got some Doritos, pineapple. So my neighbor we've been drinking it, but we used to get the fruit punch one. Yeah, that red one. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna put this stuff up and cook these wings. I'm off work tomorrow and Monday, baby. I'm so happy. I hope the weather get bad and we'll be off Tuesday too. I need a break. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all in a minute. Bye bye. Tell them what you doing, Taylor.
Oh, I'm leaving.
Lately my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide.
Hey y'all, happy Sunday. Your girl is sitting on the couch. We just got back from church. I stopped by the store. And now I'm cooking. Well, it's just simmering. I'm really done. I made taco soup. It's so easy. But that's what the kids wanted. I wanted beans, but... So I made them some taco soup. Y'all see my new entryway table? Cute. I put on a little makeup today. I didn't feel like putting on no lashes. It's too cold. Y'all excuse Ethan in the background. Ethan. Anyways, I just wanted to come in and just say hey, because I noticed I didn't show my face much in this vlog that I'm getting ready to upload. Busy, honey. But yeah, so this is the intro / outro. But I just wanted to come in. We are having an Arctic blast here in Texas. It is like 16 degrees. It's freezing. So Fred, we already got the fireplace set up. He about to go get the starter log. We're gonna light the fireplace, eat us some taco soup, watch the game. Green Bay plays today. You see what my shirt says? Green Bay. That's it. Y'all see what he doing? This all day. All day. Anyways, so I just wanted to come and tell y'all I love y'all. Thank y'all for rocking with your girl like always. And I will see y'all on the next one. If y'all are having bad weather, please stay safe. And I love y'all. We love y'all. Bye.